Hi guys, so for this module I did things a little bit differently. If you guys notice on the top right corner for virtual lesson number 4, Symbiosis, you have complete all items. What that means is you have to go step 1A, step 1B, and so forth in order to get to the quiz. You won't be able to just do the quiz and that's it. The reason I did this is so that you can actually get the entire lesson. Some of the assignments that I've been receiving from you guys lately are showing me that you're not going over the PowerPoints or the videos, and that's not going to help you at all. So we're going to try this out for right now. But for your lesson, for step 1, all you have to do is click right here and watch the video. If this doesn't work, then you can click on the link and it'll open a new window for you. When you're watching the video, make sure you take some notes. Be on the lookout for these key terms: symbiosis, parasitism, commensalism, and mutualism. Again, as you're watching the video, make sure you write down notes over symbiosis, parasitism, mutualism, and commensalism. You can write your notes down on a piece of paper, you can write them on a Word document, use your class notebook, whatever you want to do, but make sure that you're actually keeping track of these notes. What we're doing right now is pretty much 9th grade biology, so it's going to help you when you move on to next year. Okay, next, I made a chart for you. If you click right there, you can just see it on the actual screen. I want you to add this chart to your notes. I call this the emoji face chart. Pretty much what that means is explaining to you the two partners in the relationship and who gets a benefit out of it and who doesn't. So we go through parasitism first. The parasite is happy because it's getting something out of it, but the host is getting hurt. So that's why we have a sad face. So parasite, happy, host, sad. Commensalism, I kind of remember this one because of the neutron. So one of them is happy. It's getting something out of the relationship. But the other partner is a neutron. Remember how I used to tell you guys, neutrons are very meh? Like they just don't care about what's going on. You can say something, it's like, ugh, whatever. I don't care. Well, that's how the second partner is. In commensalism, one benefits and gets something out of it. The other one doesn't get hurt or get anything out of the relationship. It's just there. For mutualism, I call this one the healthy relationship. Both partners are happy because both partners are benefiting from the relationship. So they're both getting something out of it. So make sure you copy down this chart, add it to your notes, and use the chart and your notes to help you throughout the rest of the activities. Okay, next one. This one you will have to click on the link, but notice how I'm telling you to just do 4 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4. So open the link. It's going to be a new window. And you just have to do 1, 2, 3, 4. What I like about the Texas Gateway lesson is that you have a quick check for understanding. So read the directions, go through the entire thing, but where it says check, you get a quick check to see whether you were right or wrong. See? So that's telling me that I'm missing one of the answers. So I can try again. Make sure that as you're working your way through all of these sections, you do the check for understanding. And you actually check, do I really understand this or not? If you don't understand it, go back to the video, go back to the PowerPoint, or send me a message or remind or an email so we can set up a conference so I can help you. But pretty much you're going to work your way all the way down to right here. So once you get to the mistletoe and the check for understanding for mistletoe, you're done. You do not have to do the graphing part. So once you get to here, you're done with this section. If you're struggling again, go back to the video in the PowerPoint or send me a message so I can help you. So when you're done with that, you're just going to close the window and you're going to go back. Okay, so we're going to go to step 3. This is a quiz, but it's not graded. So you're not going to get a grade for this. This is just to check for your understanding. So you would click on take the quiz. And the questions, which you see right here, are related to the slides. So click to the slides. Just telling you again, mutualism, they both benefit, both are happy faces. Commensalism, one is happy, one doesn't care. Parasitism, one is happy, the other one gets hurt. So it's sad. And you're just going to go through the slides. So number 1 goes with question 1. A tick living on a dog. You have to select. Is it M, C, or P? Put your answer and then move on. If you don't get an 80 or higher, I recommend that you go back through the lesson. Don't move on to the quiz that actually counts for a grade until you get at least an 80 on this quiz. And same thing again. Go through the PowerPoint, go through the video, and if you're still struggling and you still don't understand what's going on, then send me a message so that I can help you. The last thing you're going to do is the quiz. Same format, I give you a scenario and you just tell me, is it mutualism, parasitism, or commensalism? It's 10 questions. This is the quiz that's going to be going in the grade book. You get to take it multiple times. Only the highest grade gets recorded. I think that's about it. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll help you. And I know that you guys have until the end of the term to turn in your work, but be careful that you don't fall behind. Every single week that you don't do your work, you're falling more and more and more behind. And by the end of it, you're not going to be able to keep up with all the work that's going to be due. So try to keep on top of your assignments. I think that's it for me. If you guys have any questions, just let me know.